Hi everyone! In this video, this is our second month of the Glam Squad new edition of 2021. So every Thursday, third week of the month, we are uploading videos. So guys, the Glam Squad member are myself, Chanel of Inspired by Chanel, B of Elegant Design by B, N of Printer's Lab Luxury by N, and K of Creating with Miss K.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So guys, today we are going to do unboxing and decorating this area right here for Easter and spring. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright everyone, so this is the before look. I'm going to change everything here. Even my curtain, I'm going to change that as well. Hi everyone! So are you ready to see my unboxing for Easter? And I'm going to decorate this loft in different color. As you can see my dress. So this will be the color of this loft. And I thrifted this dress from Salvation Army yesterday. And I like it. It looks like green in there. And also I did thrifted this right here in the antique store like 7 months ago. And you see this all the time I wear. Alright. So here's my first box. So I'm gonna see what's inside of this. I know there's like blowing here. So we'll see. This Easter bunny. This is from I think Hobby Lobby last year. And the egg from Dollar Tree. I have two of them. So I'm gonna use some of this. This is. So I'm not gonna put ink in here. This is a bunny. Oh, this is high glam bunny. Oh, you heard the noise. So this is it right here. This is from Burlington last year. So I'm gonna use this. I have this. This is last year. This is Steve's gift.
So guys, I decided to decorate my loft because last month I also used this one for the Valentine's, and I decorated this one with pink as you see earlier the before. Everyone, don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and leave me a comments about my decorating today, and thank you so much. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by to the other members of the Glam Squad. Chanel of Inspired by Chanel. B of Elegant Design by B. N of Renters Love Luxury by N. K of Creating with Miss K. I will put their link in my description box below. Please guys, check them out. You will be inspired for what they do over there. And I would like to hear your feedback about the decorating ideas I have here in my loft with green, blue, and yellow. If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.